exhausted. Now you're just gonna sit up now, huh?
Whoa! Stay up, stay up.
She's strong. She's strong belly.
That's like the day she rolled over, she got through it like clip, clip, clip.
Oh, look at
Oh,
you!
hey, that was
Oh
good.
my goodness, you're getting strong, aren't you?
Good recovery.
Yeah. There you go. There you go. You're cheating. You're cheating. Oh, good job. That's a good way to get you stronger in the belly so you can sit up. Yeah, that's a good job, Henrietta. Yes.
They're working on my abs, working on my abs.
Ah.
Uh,
Oh my goodness, you're doing a good job.
Hold it,
Oh my goodness.
hold it.
yeah.